Welcome back to the R5. I'm JJ, and while not everything at the ranch is so poolside and glamorous, some days you gotta get a little sweaty. So while Bud is off feeding the animals, I'm gonna take y'all along with me and we're gonna be mowing. Today I'm gonna be on my John Deere X590, and yeah, Bud thinks it's a little sexy.
Living life on the R5. Hello, JJ.
All right, folks, so that's about 25 minutes of mowing. We are done. It gets us started off with our work week right, because now we don't have so much to mow. Later on is when we are finished with work. So I think it's probably only about my fourth shower today, but hey, that's farm life for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications, because this weekend is our camping trip. Finally, we are finally gonna test the water on our camping trip in the Jeep at the park in Blanco, so don't miss out.